hey, where I'm from, we got a dude called Richard B. You feel me? I don't know if y'all can see I'm driving. Bear with me. You know what I'm saying? That's a demon, I believe. You feel me? Ooh, let me turn it back around. Police right there. I can't run a red light. But yeah, man, I'm heading to get an oil change in the morning. You feel me? I wanted to change it myself, but you know what I'm saying? I really don't be having time to do that. You feel me? So that's what I'm heading to. So we gonna see what this day encounters. You feel me? So just bear with me. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Turn back on the camera. You know what I'm saying? With everything get it going, cause I do got something planned today for y'all, just for y'all. You feel me? Alright, I'm done talking. I'll let you later. Get mine, you know what I'm saying, real fast, real quick. But to give y'all some, you know what I'm saying, some jips and jabs at the junk, you feel me? If you do got one of these cars, I say go get about 7 quarts and your oil filter, you know what I'm saying? And really you'll knock down the price for real, for real. Especially if you change yourself. Cause it ain't hard, bro. It's just sometimes you just don't feel like doing it. You know what I'm saying? I just had to get y'all the heads up. Get 7 quarts, get your oil filter, bring it to them. It's gonna knock the whole price down. Cause all you got your own stuff. All they do is they put it on for you. It's just label. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I said label. That's how you know I'm from the South. Labor. Tripping. Alright. Bro, ZL1, why? I see you. Why? That thing's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at that, man. Check it out. Back at one of my favorite places, you feel me? He don't never carry cash. No, he don't got paid good today. I'm just checking to see my packages so I can pick it up a little early, you feel me? So we can get the festivities going, you feel me? So I'm gonna lock back in, see what's going on. I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on real fast. Yep. SRT station in the building, coming to get the tires for my new SRT. Okay. I would drink, but God ain't gonna like that. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna do my boy like that. Let me turn off the camera, bro. Got the big boys, you feel me? So y'all already know what time it is. Time to burn something. Gotta burn the other one. You feel me? Y'all ready to have fun? Let go! Alright, let me go ahead and get this tie to the car. Let me stop playing, bro. I'm gonna turn back on the camera, you feel me? A bit more quiz in the back, you feel me? Got a lot of work done to that car. And then trying to get some new babies on mine, you feel me? I'm finna go ahead and show y'all to them. I said, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the rim, what I got. You know what I'm saying? I put it on my IG, let y'all vote. So right now, 5 spokes, gloss black, 20 by 11, so I got them staggered. Feel me? Gonna look good on there. Probably got a buff head thing got in the back so it won't rub. Then what up? Then I got the new tire, got the 315 by I think 35 by 20. So hopefully they don't scrub, but if they do, you know what I'm saying, they get it banged out in the back, make sure it don't rub too bad. But I'm gonna turn back on the camera when everything get put on. Yeah, that man now. We ain't gonna pop the hood though, you feel me? Who wants smoke?
Hey man, bring whatever you want, man. This right here, bring a Hellcat. Smoke them, man.
Yeah.
Put anything, whatever you want on it. This one right here, man, bring all your scats, man. We eat them up all day. Man, I got the SS on the way, man, to kill
Look at
him. I ain't gonna be able to kill him, but I'm killing him though. Y'all might as well set that down, boy. And I gotta get that charger, boy.
I'm in my truck right now. I let my kinfolk, no one from Alabama, I say kinfolk. But anyway, I let my fam ride my car real quick and let y'all see it real quick, cause it's dirty. You feel me? I've been on back roads and doing other stuff, so we gonna take it, get it washed real quick. Then I'ma show it. You feel me? Yeah! From the bike, yeah! It'll bite. Y'all see that thing? Oh. That thing is fighting the bike. I see you, girl. Yeah, the ride feels totally different. I still gotta get an alignment on my car for real, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, it rides totally different. Let me turn the air off, you know what I'm saying? Let me turn it down, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, bro, I recommend getting 315, but let me tell y'all my 5 sport. Let me tell you how I got them. So 9.5. Well, not, I said 9.5, I'm tripping. 20 by 9.5 in the front. And I got 20 by 11 in the back, so they stagger. So that's why I got 315. And my 315, my whole tire is gonna get used. So it's better whenever I'm at the track. Whenever I'm doing something, it's gonna grip and go. You know what I'm saying? I might spin a little bit, but other than that, it's still gonna grip and go. You know what I'm saying? We had to the car wash. I had to switch into my car, obviously. So, stay tuned. You feel me? Finna get this thing white down. You know what I'm saying? By my boys out here like always. Yeah, I say everything. Ooh, SRT. But but once everything get done and watch down, bro, I'm gonna turn back on the camera. Then we gonna pull up to the shop. For y'all see, you feel me? Gonna let y'all see it, bro. You know what I'm saying? 5 smoke shouting. Look good, look good. They already know they poke. Feel me? Quick little rinse off. I ain't gonna go crazy now, y'all. Let's see it on the other side. Feel me? So, I like it wet. I like the way. Hold on, Scar. Hold on now. Come on now. Sheesh. But anyway, I love the way it came out, bro. It looked good to me. You know what I'm saying? So right now, you know what I'm saying? I get to relax during the summer. Got football practice and stuff coming up. So, you know what I'm saying? It's time to lock in. But I'ma still bring y'all all the content I can bring y'all with the car show, with the ride outs, with everything else, you feel me? So, appreciate all the love, support, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna end the video like that though. I see y'all a little rough, but this how I'm gonna end the video off, man. Y'all know what I'm saying? I hope y'all like the car. I hope y'all like the way it look, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Something new, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So stay patient. I got some more coming towards it, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Got shot in the back. Oh, wee. Secky. But nah, man. Signing off, man. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? And drop your comments down below, you feel me? Stay tuned for the next one. It's your boy, Mel. I'm out. Yurt.